Hello and welcome to another update video about DOT. Yeah, we need patience in the altcoin sector at the moment. Obviously on the DOT chart, one idea that we talked about in the last video was that maybe a B wave has formed down here. B wave correction. We pretty much have this double bottom with the October low. That's normally not a sign of strength, but it could indicate a temporary reversal still. And whether it's reversing or not, obviously nobody knows. We would need a crystal ball for that. However, we have some key parameters to watch. We have here the $3.85 support level. That's the 78.6 retracement. Basically, it's this area between 437 and 385 that I also shared with you in the last video. And it is possible we are already attempting a reversal here, or at least DOT is trying to, but it is obviously, as you can see, too weak. Okay, so what we could do is to draw a bit of a small breakout trend line there that could be watched. Is that something really reliable? Not really. I mean, these are really not very interesting movements in my opinion. Very quiet, the altcoin sector at the moment. Bitcoin seems to be leading. A few selected altcoins are moving in interesting patterns, but DOT isn't really doing much. I mean, even a lot of the other asset classes, even like I was looking at oil today. I mean, crazy volatility, you know. Even the metals seem to be more interesting than the altcoins at the moment. Even Bitcoin seems more interesting just because the pattern is easier to read and probably to trade than this here. It's not even very volatile, so we just have to have patience with these altcoins. If you still want to trade it, you have the key parameters. Yeah, so 385 to 437 is support. One more low would take it to 421 or $4.06 probably. And it still requires a break above $4.94, this previous wave one high, for something like an upside breakout. So at the moment, this is obviously still here a potential setup where the price could use this support zone as a jump off point to trade a third wave, or to rally in a third wave to the upside. Waves one, waves two, nearly complete. Wave 3 could be next, and depending on where that wave 2 will bottom, and it's not, you know, we don't have that bottoming formation yet. There's no low confirmed at this stage. Let's say the upside projections, the upside targets for the third wave will have to be adjusted here and there. Yeah. So what you can see at the moment is a possible 1-2 setup where the wave 2, yep, is an ABC structure. The C wave might need a few more downside squiggles. Not gonna label it because microstructure is a little bit too difficult to read at the moment. Surely I could put some labels on here, but it would give you a false sense of security. I mean, I can show it to you in the video, but I'll take it off afterwards. So the idea is that this could be a wave 1, wave 2. Then wave 3 could still be unfolding. This might be an AB in wave 3 because also wave 1 is an ABC structure. And then do something like that. Even maybe it's going to go a little bit lower like that, you know. But it also tells us that a break above the wave 2 high at 462 would be an early indication, probably the earliest we can get, just after the trendline breakout, that a low is in, because the third wave, if there is a third wave to the downside in the making, whether it's a diagonal or not, we should not see the price break above that wave 2 high at 464. So this is what we're tracking at the moment. And it's still printing lower highs and lower lows, but we've arrived at the support area. The wave counts are not so important, the levels are more important. So what is really important is that the bulls turn up and we get an upside breakout signal before the bulls lose, yeah, their support levels, especially here the $3.85 level. So I keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.